Say it loud.
Every do.
Work at it.
All hot. I get the war. No. No. I know. And we see him here in the war. Action. Wash it. 34, 34.
Very good. Whatever you do,
Whatever you do.
work at it.
All
Your heart as if working for the Lord, not for men. Since I know I will receive an inheritance from the Lord I am serving. Colossians 3.
24, 24.
Very good. All right. Now, God,
God,
look at me. God,
not going fear for the powerful. Remember, so am I. Take it, Timmy. What's up?
very good.
Give me that.
Hang on. I know what it.
I know this. The happen.
Look at me. And I
know this. The beaming. Power, the secret, speaking the thing, generation. The welfare, personal
whether
Vinty,
whether living in plenty,
the 20, or your one. Happy end for chef.
very good.
Give me the.
All right, let's do Psalm 23 and then we're all done. Ready? The Lord,
The Lord, my shepherd, is the one to.
say it loud. The Lord,
The Lord, is my shepherd. I don't know.
look at me, Ivy girl.
Get people down, green path. Leave me beside quiet walk. The stores, my cold. Be quiet.
Hang on, look.
Guide me. The path. What's in this? Have them.
Very good.
Give me.
Now, what comes out? Even though
I know.
even though I
Even
walk
or
through the valley
the valley.
of the shadow of death,
Shudder the
I fear no evil. You
You
are with me.
are with me.
Your rod
Your word,
and your staff,
your staff,
they comfort me.
comfort me.
You prepare
Prepare
a table
a table
before me
before me
in the presence
in presence
of my enemies.
me.
What comes next?
Look what person found.
You anoint
With no
my head
my head,
with oil.
where will you?
My cup
My cup
overflows.
will
Psalm 23.
24.
Say Psalm
John
23.
24.
There you go. Say, I did it.
I did it!
What's your name?
Ivy,
How old are you?
Ivy,
No. Yeah, that's your name. How old are you?
7,
No, you're not 7. Say, I'm 2.
a 2.
There you go.
Give me that
Say
gum.
bye, guys.
Bye guys,
I love you.
I love you.